Okay, kung gusto nating maging holistic yung approach natin sa trigo, which is a complete study of the relationships of all the sides and angles and even theories about the triangle. Yun ang trigonometry. Hindi lang sides, hindi lang angles, lahat ng tungkol sa triangle. So, kailangan and even yung origin ng sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, at tangent. No? Basically, yun lang yun. But, kung gusto natin maging holistic, ito yung geometry side. So, yung angle sum theorem ng triangle states that all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So, yung tatlong angles niya is equal to 180. So, anong formula para makuha yan? Ayan. Interior angles, n minus 2 times 180 of any polygon. Hindi lang triangle to, of any polygon. Kaso, dahil nagtatrigo tayo, trigonometry. So, number of sides, yung n, minus 2 times 180. So, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 times 180 is 180. Okay? Yun yung interior angles niya kung bakit 180. And then, yung exterior angles, yung angles naman sa labas. May angles na siya sa loob ng triangle, meron pa siyang angle sa labas. So, ang formula nun, 360 over n. So, 360 divided by 3, 180. So, kung gusto nyong malaman yung sum of interior angles, ang formula is n over 2 times 180 over n. So, 3 minus 2 times 180 is 1 times 180 is 180. 180 divided by 360. So, yung sum daw yung kung gaano daw kalaking angle yung isa dun sa tatlo is 60 degrees. Ganun yung sinasabi sa equilateral triangle, di ba? Lahat ito, mga sinabi ko, ang triangle na sinasabi dito is equilateral triangle. Pantayang angles, pantayang sides. So, anything na pag naging line segment yung isang sides o isang side ng triangle or yung angle ng isang triangle na wala, degenerate triangle na siya. So, yun yung proof kung bakit kailangan pag-aralan natin. Ito yung side ng geometry. Okay? Ito yung geometry side ng triangle na usually hindi na kailangan isama dun sa trigonometric part kasi tinuturo na to sa geometry. Actually, yung Pythagorean theorem, yung distance formula, lahat yan sa geometry eh. Kaso nga lang, binabalikan dahil may specific tayo about triangle. So, yan. Geometry side of geometry side of the side and angles of a triangle. So, yun lang po.